lifestyle. You know have them built here, brother. You know have them look here. You're a little bumbuckler structure like shit in a plate, boy. So that's why I mean if I fire up with this bag of loose straight where you're saying, because I know entertainment to me. Because I know in a real life, when I see you go run you up and blood clot down. If you have two man try run you, not turn up. And then two man there, you're security, them have to turn up and watch too. But what I tell you say is youth, when you get back to your content creativity, me telling you the truth and before you accept the truth, like just like with a spoon and blood clot sauce, you not come promise me death and promise me this, like when you take me a waste man boy. I don't know I really think me I tell you. But look on the page now. Pussy, me can show your page. Last week you have 4 content for your blood clot page. Me KFC content are 1. And you delete blood clot that left 3. Go look on your page now. You double up in 1 week. And you're there over 1 blood clot here now. I come every day and I beg. I will tell you to stop begging and go shoot content. And now I'm telling you the truth. Watch me on a pussy one. Because I feel like everybody who can blood clot use mouth and bullies it. Boy, I'm not trying for them bag of XX. Let me tell you what I use. You have to look at shit up blood clot, girl. Because me know what this them, you know. You have to one girl named Mika with 2 E in her name and a K and a blood clot. Hey, shit up, girl, blood clot, girl. Let me tell you, that one whole Jamaica be shot to 2 load box class. Your blood clot. Are you? A 2 box me not shot you. Anyway, me just girl to blood clot. Can you never chat to me like you have blood clot? I show them for the girl costume. I want whole if you shot to grape and your blood clot. And your collarbone and shot to 2 blood clot box. Because are you miss here? I will be a little shit in a play bomb buckler idiot girl. And I run on this man a flag page about X your pussy wall. I want to know you. You think you can use the cartoon intimidation the family. Eh? I see a squash man hero learn that from. Let me tell you one. A squash man hero watch on bad mind squash man. If you don't know hero where the X style I come from, I see him 6 XXX. But you pussy wall bad mind squash man, I don't know how to do it. He can't turn an artist. He must be fine something. So if you don't feel like that, you don't do to bomb buckle that. I'm a G when I show condolences to. And I show homage. So I don't feel like an intimidation that. That actually make me stronger when me soon have blood clot. So let me tell you look, hey, don't ramp with Icekoolio. Me no want blood clot man on the ramp with. Notice me no follow people. Me no depend people life. Me no depend on bad life. I look. Notice when me go viral. And I years now me I go blood clot viral. You don't catch me on the round table because I no deal with the round table because I see him pussy wall of my shit on the table. So if you don't feel like you can't go use them, go cycle if you're a madman like me. I want to be shot in 1,000 box cars on a blood clot case. You think about a shottings, we all have the section now because this is fast as they reach. Now we now come as charity. You can't tell them that blood clot. None of them now come as charity. All I want to be a kick up about XXX. None of them now X in a blood clot street. None of them now X in a street pussy one. A behind the blood clot with one little cheer, she don't so. Behind the phone now X on a bad up on the blood clot self. I want to know. None of them remember blood clot will look. No, Frank Carroll now remember we will look better. Because from then time I'm start staying. So if some pussy feel like selling can come on my life, notice, and then think they stop. You notice from the start of my life. When the pussy will adjust to the start of my life. When me just burn a fire, me can't go live in peace every minute be X over here. You notice, look, no X no there now. Because what they see, say blood clot master to quell. So who then? If a master go shit up pussy water. If a master they have to quell. Eh? Only go look now, me say all of them have to start doing what they say to do. If them come down. God bust me, if they have blood clot come down, me say, we want to take off it done. If they don't come down after this, because we not stop. We not stop, no stop no night, brother. No stop no night. Mashida, we are going with.
Yeah, see a blaze the fire, some pussy for hear and listen and learn, them gonna get burned,
I'm saying, Mashida, man, what's up, man?
Fire, none of that no there, no mash. None of that no there, because the time no there for waste no more, You know? So all the trick them a say all the this them a say, bro, all that them thing they never shake with, bro. As stronger we get stronger. You see me?
No joke. Go and blaze it, man, brother, man. They have to go and give you a strength. You see me, I say, yeah, man, go and blaze it, man, cause we love for you when the brother them a blaze too, No joke.
We not stop with the fire, brother. That's all we do. That's all we do. Must remember, say, every day about the fire, The only difference is we have to come by us right now, I wouldn't like it, but we have to do it. You see it? Because fastest way we can reach them, like why fastest way they can reach we use them. You see me? So I don't like, you know. But we not stop, bro. Me I tell that bumbo clad that every day, and we can't tell we not fit. Them I push them fast, I know. I tap in the neck, you know, cause I fall, you know, brother, whether they like it or not, you know. I fall, brother. Whether they like it or not. DJ Raga, we are dealing. Me here we are, say, bro.
Yo,
We
with
are
G,
dealing, Raga.
me there, you know. Boy, me not stay long, you know. Burn the fire, see when you know, General.
Yeah, man, the fire is a must, my brother. The fire is the purification, you see it?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I watch you from long time for you do bring out the chicken tune, but me I give you a little advice. You have a little style about come down now. Your
Yeah.
flow, me like your flow good road boy. So
Then I'm a
yeah, boy,
creative. I'm a creativity, my brother, man. Give thanks. I'm a world.
yeah man.
Yeah. Cause me try differentiate with Icekoolio by doing
The flow,
Icekoolio. You see me?
yeah, the flow the
Yeah.
bad and would I like you to do my advice to you, you know, burn the fire same way and stick to the studio. You understand? No matter what them say road boy. You
Yeah,
understand? Me
man.
deal with
Yeah, man.
music for years.
I stood there. I'm a weapon still in the fire. I stood there. I only weapon me have, you know. Not
Yeah,
even my
yeah,
voice. This one me I do
yeah,
not effective like when me there in the studio. You see me? This one me I do
yeah.
right now.
But
It not really effective like when me there in the studio, but we do it because we have a voice same way. You see me? But I studio,
yeah.
I'm the biggest
And
weapon that.
you're right, you know, them are fall, you know, them belly full right now and then remember where them a come from. Because a long time with the on social media and I watch them, you know, before TikTok get popular this last year, you know. Where Jamaica them swarm TikTok, you know, and we know who was there, where a
Yeah,
content creator and fall off
yeah,
of social media on the one side right now. I look in a dark glass and I wonder why I go on, because nothing I go on for them. And
yeah.
a woman destroy them. I may give you a clue, I don't really want to call the man name over here.
You
Because the
can
youth
call me, man. I want to watch on the platform. The platform. I'm a friend of the on this. To see it. I shoot. I don't say shoot. I only friend. So
remember
yeah.
Chavas. Remember Chavas was the most content creator where they dip on social media from YouTube based till Instagram. And remember saying drop off and a woman destroy him.
Yeah, man, the woman fuck up your head, man. He fall in love
Yeah,
with the woman, fuck up your head, man.
yeah. And him
All
was
him
the
say,
number
I be a
one.
fuck it all. I'm a virgin to you, know, but I be a fuck me see my
No,
do
but
it.
yeah.
Hear me I say no, little Ricky, go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. We not trace with disrespect big pussy boy like no. Go suck your mother. You hear that?
Oh, she
Uno
can
like your truth, and love to when the sister them out and about and I go on like whore. And love to when the man them go on like them fool. You see me? So you can compete with fool and be better than fool. But you're not better because you're a fool too. Two on the same thing. Two on the same thing. You know, some look a waste man in a virgin. Me just come from the live and me don't say nothing but to heal up the man. That means say a bumbuckler high school you talk. And in a reality, if I'm come from the live, me the man a blaze righteous fire. Go suck your mother.
Batty
Go
boy that
trace.
man,
Trace your mother.
batty boy that man, a batty boy. Me tell you how them mashy. You see them batty boy, then one who love come. I do them can't do this in a mashy. And we not even call them bad man, cause no bad man that a batty man is him them a practice, you know. They not no vice, you know, brother. Cause them boy they shit up, you know, them belly, they shit up and nasty and weak out, you know, brother. So then you see when they see all them yeah, touch them, you know, but then can't hold the brother on the scroll, go on, brother, if you can't be tired for telling you. Cause you can't come over here cause come get no blood class seat for sit down, brother. And applaud, brother. Remember we not look nothing from you, brother, cause we not eat a batty man table, brother. You see it? So if you know no feelings, either you take a seat and listen. But don't feel like you can't go and say nothing overpower. Nobody else better. None time, no time. No time fire. Not even no time fire. I don't mean like good look. Every day when I come and do it, I don't realize we still out there strong and better. I want to there kill up on the bum buckler. I said, better go have a seat, better help you. Join me if you not join me. But if you not join, we go have a bum buckler seat, my lad. Because you can't fight the warrior. It's simple.
like when no firm. Yo, no
Yeah,
found no
dog.
bad boy. We say no bad boy run off on the mouth like little bitch. If man wall in a real life, no gun, no nice brother. I'ma broke you in half pussy hole. I'ma broke you. Yo, brother, yo, no found in no real fire, you know. The hunger fire, on the know, you know, the fire will come out of the Glock in a pussy. You hear me, I say? And nobody feel like we can't get them things that one touch you with them. You hear that? Cause no found come and check man like say I saw check go. Like say I saw check go. You see me? You feel like say we come and them something here. I run off a bumbo clock mouth because we bumbo clock that's why I run off mouth. Big pussy boy. You know, see we out in the street, you know, see we show we face many times. I show say we not afraid of no man. And I show say your father got there on we, and plus we have a finger for squeeze, and we have a hand for swing, and we have a fist them for thumb. I'm to your pussy wall, you feel like say that's how life go. If you can just come and just check man and just I run off your mouth and just get away with everything you say, and I say go, and I say go. The time when you are check man, you walk out and dead car goes strong for father, yeah. A God goes man work it over you say no pussy. You will walk out of your house and a car just lick over your bum buckle at the street and you walk to your gate. No, the man. No, the righteous ones and the anointed ones. You think you can come violate you and feel. Let me tell you something. See them pastor boy that will not chat about and some pastor boy will not see out the road and feel like a them anointed pussy and some bad man we choose to put on badness. You hear that batty boy? You hear that batty boy? And them are the anointed. They say Jesus and the man not even name Jesus. They say Jesus go around a bum buckler, soft man, pussy, hey boy. You better know now, do you know? Yo, you feel like say you can bust two gun and kill a batty boy. You better know say man kill people to hear. Pussy. You feel like you can run up on a man. You feel like you can run up on my friend them and run up on a real general and pussy. You know what dead out here? You know what dead brawling to in the street and man chop up a bumbo clat and feed it to bumbo clat dog. Or bury and plant over here to pussy one.
Them been at dead and can't defend themselves. Brother, watch it now. Them been have them gun, you know. Them been have them gun and been have everything where them a come at and can't defend themselves. A dead me see pussy them a dead. 3, 4, 5, 6 of them every day them a triple up a dead. Pussy and still a push badness. When you say me want another power pussy wall, every day me see when I come. Everyone there, on the internet when you see them this, when I go there, and I want a bum buckle like that. 3, 4 I want a bum buckle like that. 5, 6 I want a bum buckle like that. I see where I see them where. I spell righteous bum buckle like this. You know say when I idiot.
Facts.
I want a bum buckle like that, because when I call them for a bum buckle like say pussy wall. You stop spreading stuff because I don't make a little bum buckle like batty boy well bad boy. That's why I'm glad when human take away and pick the fan because the boy you can't even pick the brown and boy because they never know bum buckle like karma.
Facts.
They never know bum buckle like karma. They never know when they fuck around, man. Hey, I want to know you. I feel like I want to shine the bum buckle like sun boy, brother. I feel like I want to rise up, man. I feel like I want to put this in, man. I want to know that. I'm going to use it in the batty blood club boy style. I'm going to tell him man the truth. Because anyone to go, I shoot and I go here when the boy long back to the road. Fire.
Facts.
No care how big they get. When they go to the highest, the supreme, and when they want to reach, I shoot them, I reach right back a bum buckle and go. Worse than with them. They call like them go start all over blood clot again if they get a chance. So I'm going to try correct them trying to help you with that. And that me a bum buckle like them now. Look for a fire start burn.
Yo, user, what you mean do better than that? No better we do the fuck the bed. I want to some man. I'm doing it like no one no man talk about no no one man sit down and be batty blood clot man like no go suck on no mother no man. Do better than one man. What you mean do better? I wouldn't go on like some little dog shit. I wouldn't do better. Go suck on the mother man. Fuck doing man. Every day on the out here, all no talk about bum buckler, cocky and pussy and money. Go suck on the mother, man. You think man they on earth for bum buckler, shit, please, build house, fuck girl, and dead? Go suck your mother with that. Move up with that. That me I tell you, man, a God on earth. And man, I get power. You hear me say? Anything me have to do, as long as it righteous and on a bum buckler folly, me go and do it. You hear that pussy hole? So if I come on the live right, so I make some pussy know what I go on. I saw me and my general them go and do it. And we go for righteousness, so that we are strive for. And no tell we for stop neither, you know. I suck on the mother, man, and move up, man. No lion, no cub. Move up.